Hi guys, welcome to CAT CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a NSYS workbench software and how to this all commands is learner. And at first drawing at first 3 point is discussed here, a very important point. First is line and second is this is a first is line and second is tangent line and third is line by 2 tangent. And 3 point is learner, and next lecture is coming soon, and also all tools and all 3D command and all designing lecture is coming soon. And today first all command is at first learner. And guys, this is a NSYS workbench drawing tool at first learner, and then all is a this tool is very important role of this designing this body and NSYS of this body. Okay, at first click this and going to this software. At first unit is check here. This unit is a SI unit is prefer here in. Okay, this unit is a SI unit, and this setting is very perfect. Okay, and at first open this software is looking a screen on the screen. And at first going to geometry tool, then going to this geometry is click here, and again this is a static structure is click here. Okay, and this is a click here. This body is analysis, and at first drawing this body is all tool is learner, then click this geometry only. Okay, and double click here, then this is open. And this is a very important point is discussed here. And right click and going to this is a 2 point is very important. First is new design modular geometry, and second is new space claim geometry. At first open this software, because this software is very latest version software, and this is a software is 19.2 is a this is a and advanced software. But at first setting this default setting as this new design modular is first point. And okay guys, new space geometry is setting here, then change here this. Okay, change here this is a permanent solution or default setting is this. Going to this right click, going to this tool and right click and going to this option, and this is a geometry import. Okay, and going to this is a general option, and this is a prefer geometry editor is a design modeler. And this is a you can change here easily and clearly. But my software is a design modeler is a default setting, but this is not changing here. Okay, this is a cancel out. Okay, this is a geometry is this and double click here. Workspace is open here. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. This body is this this is a tree, geometry tree, and this is a designing tree. And all okay, this is all sketch designing tool is you can see here on the screen. And this is a drawing tool, line and tangent line, line by 2 tangent, polyline and polygon. All 2D tools is you can see here on the screen. And modify tool is this, dimension tool is this, constant tool is also this, and setting tool this. One by one all point is learner. This is 2D tool is very important lecture, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, and at first going to this a 3 point is discussed here. First is a line, and this is a second is tangent line, and third is line by 2 tangent. Okay, drawing this line at first drawing this and going to select here this is a perfect and click here a line. Okay, drawing this body line is a click here. Okay, this line is this, and this line is horizontal. Each H means this is a horizontal is perfect line because, and also click here this a vertical line is this, showing a V means vertical because this line is a vertical, and this line is inclined but this is not, this is a, okay, this is a line is a V and this is a H, horizontal and vertical, and this inclined line is not showing here. Okay, any draw a line. Okay, this is a perfect drawing this line and any line. This is a drawing here this also this and drawing a this. Okay, and drawing a this line is to connect to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing, and this line is horizontal, and you can say here H means this is a vertical line, and also this is a horizontal line. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this is a going to escape, and this is a delete here. Okay, and also this tangent line is click here, and because at first drawing a circle because this is a tangent, drawing a circle, and this circle is this, and going to this tangent line, and any tangent line is a click here. Okay, and going to this tangent, and this line is a horizontal line and this is a tangent. Okay, and also this select a tangent, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also this line is a tangent because this line is a tangent line is this, and okay, and also select a line this line is a this. Okay, and this line is a tangent. Okay, and also click this. Okay, this line is this. Okay, and escape. Okay, this is a second point is this and okay, next point is this is a line by two tangent, means drawing a two circle is click here because two circle is a okay this, and going to two tangent, click a first is a first circle and second circle is drawing a this. Okay, this is a drawing a two tangent line, first circle and second circle is drawing here, and this is point is a tangent line. Okay, and first point this and this second point is this. Okay, and drawing a okay, this is a two circle is drawing here because drawing a this two circle. Okay, and going to this line by two tangent, and then select a first line circle and second circle, and first circle is tangent, and first this is a select this. Okay, and select this circle and select this circle is this, and also select this circle and this circle is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay guys, next lecture is a polyline and polygon. Okay, and guys, okay guys, all point is a discuss here, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.